Start out by curling your eyelashes and applying a base to your eyelids. As always, I'm using NYX's Jumbo Pencil in Milk and using the warmth from my fingertips to blend it out. All of the colours that I'm using to create my eye look are from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I'm starting with the colour White Peach, which is a matte, bone, almost white eyeshadow, and applying that as a wash all over my eyelids to make blending easier. Then I'm moving to blend the colour Georgia, which is a pale pinky peach shadow, through my crease on a small fluffy brush, using a windshield wiper motion when blending it out. Then I'm dipping into the colour Puree, which is a matte warm gingerbread kind of colour, and using that to deepen the crease. I'm using the shade Charmed I'm Sure, which is deep matte brown, to define the outer corners of the eye with a fluffy brush. The flat eyeshadow brush, I'm patting the colour Luscious, which is a golden bronze shimmery eyeshadow over the inner half of the lid. Before then going back to redefine that outer corner with that dark matte brown. And then also sweeping that dark brown under my lower lash line. Then I line my eyes with a black felt tip liner and desperately try to draw a cat eye that might have vaguely resembled my other eye. Then I'm using the shade Nectar, which is a shimmering honey eyeshadow, to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. With the black mascara, I'm applying in many coats of it to my top and bottom lashes. Then I'm heavily applying this shimmery pink blush to my cheeks and to the tip of my nose to give a rosy glow. Then I'm using a slightly deeper pink blush and placing it further back on my cheeks and almost using it as my contour shade to add some dimension to the face. With this Illamasqua highlighter, I'm using it to gently highlight my cheekbones, tip of my nose and my cupid's bow. Then I'm lining my lips with a red lip liner, following the shape of my lips to get a precise edge. Then finishing off this look with a red lipstick of your choice. I'm using MAC's Brave Red and then placing Ruby Tuesday by Max Factor in the centre for dimension.